So now we are going to install some more software. Sudo apt get subversion. Install subversion. Okay, I'm going to use the up arrow key here, the left arrow, install. Oh yes. So that's subversion. Now I believe subversion is a revision control system, but I'm not sure if that's true here for Raspberry Pi. Okay, so I did an up arrow and used the backspace key to delete. libv or l-dev. Okay, we have a hit. Up arrow, backspace, didn't have to go that far actually, lib jpeg 8-dev. Okay, and then last one, image magic, it looks like. Oh, I see, CK. Okay, so you might ask yourself, why are we doing all these installs? Why didn't this stuff just come built into the Raspberry Pi? Well, have you ever heard of bloatware? Bloatware is software that companies load onto disks when they ship them to customers that the customers really don't need, you know, like subscription to AOL and stuff. Well, that's not exactly the same thing, but it's kind of the same thing. There's no reason to load a bunch of stuff onto Raspbian and deliver it to you if you may not need it. For instance, we don't need, depending on your application. So next we are going to compile the source code of the mjpeg streamer. I'm going to teach you another super secret about Linux. So first of all, we have to go into a specific directory. cd, change directory, from the top, which is /home. So I'm going to just type /h and then hit the tab key. Oh, hello. The only thing it found with a /h up there is home, so it just filled it out for us with the tab key. PI is short. Next thing is Sunfounder Smart Video Car Kit for Raspberry Pi. So do you think we have to type all that out? How about just Sun tab? Boom. Saves you a lot of typing. Now mjpeg streamer, tab key there, another mj tab key. Oh, there's something else there with mjp. G, tab, streamer. Okay, so that's it. We're there. And now sudo make. Use libv4l2. Oops, can't get my fingers on. libv4l2 equals true. Okay, why couldn't we use the tab key there? These must be commands rather than directory locations or programs. So let's make sure we have this right. Sudo make use underscore libv4l2 libv4l2 equals true cleano. Okay, why didn't that work? Whoops, didn't need capital make. Okay, I don't see any errors or complaints, so it looks like maybe it worked. Now we're going to do the install. DESTDIR equals /USR space install. So to get the IP address of your Raspberry Pi, you might want to write this down on a sheet of paper. So right now, this Pi, all you have to do is hover over your Wi-Fi, and you can see it's 192.168.1.40/24. Mainly what you need is the 192.168.1.40. So coming back here, sudo space sh start sh then we're going to open a browser. So I went up here and opened this browser. .168.1.40:8080. That's the port number /stream .html. And I think it's working. So I'm pulling my car out here, and sure enough, the camera on the Pi is working. You can see my boxes of parts there. So, we now have the camera working streaming video on the Raspberry Pi.